never niya pina-feel sa akin na, mahal kita kasi asawa mo si Ice. She has her own way of showing me how she sees me. How she's proud of all of my achievements. How she fights for me on social media, calling out people who are bashing me and doing all of these, saying all of these like negative stuff. Siya yung unang-unang nando sa Facebook para sabihin sa kanila na hindi nyo kilala si Liza, hindi nyo alam kung ano yung ginagawa niya, nagpapakahirap siya para sa industriya. Like, she's that, you know? And she will always, well, we dance. So, alam niyo naman, dancer si Mommy. So, I also danced flamenco before, and I can't remember when was the last time I did that. But she's the one who's always remind me, you know, you have to do something for yourself. You know, bumalik ka sa flamenco, magaling ka dun. Gumawa ka, umarte ka ulit. Actually, kaya kami nagkaroon ng choosing na play is because she keeps on telling us that she wants to see us act together. Tagal-tagal nyo na sa industriya, tagal-tagal nyo na mag-asawa, hindi pa kayo nagkatrabaho together. So, yun siya. She has that quiet strength and that support that she gives, not just to Ice, but to all of us. So, Mommy, ang galing mo talagang manggulat. Alam niyo naman, nakwento niya sa inyo, di ba, na dapat pa-ballroom siya that night. Kinukulot pa niya yung buhok niya nung dinadala siya sa ospital. So, I'm sure na bigla din siya sa lahat ng to dahil, you know, I thought she'd live to 100 dahil ganon siya ka-groovy at ganon siya ano din, yung self-care niya rin ganon. But, you know, thank you so much for everything. Thank you for being such a great example to all of us. And I promise you na katulad ng lagi nating pinag-uusapan at lagi mo sa akin tinetext. Aalagaan ko po si Ice and si Wanchi. And I know hindi ko mapapantayan yung pagmamahal na binigay mo sa kanila. But I will try my best. Kasi alam ko na sa lahat-lahat, yun ang pinakamagpapasaya sa'yo. We love you and you're always in our hearts. So I know that you're always gonna be around to guide us. Love you.
Thank you. So, hayaan po muna silang. Salamat, love.